I'm Leah from Jersey Drinks with my friends at ShopRite, and today we're serving up the ultimate Galentines Day happy hour. To celebrate our best gals, we're drinking pink and pairing our cocktail with a delicious bowl&basket sweet treat. To start, we're gonna create our homemade pink lemonade. The base of this is gonna be a bowl&basket hibiscus tea and white sugar simple syrup. So let's get to it. We're gonna take 1 cup of our bowl&basket granulated white sugar, add that to a pot with 1 cup of water. We're gonna give this a quick whisk to get everything combined. And next, we're gonna take 2 of our bowl&basket hibiscus tea bags and place that in the pot. For a little bit of Galentine's Day fun, we're gonna add just a touch of edible glitter. Next, you're gonna wanna take this and set it on the stove. Keep this on low heat for about 20 minutes until that tea is nice and steeped. Once the time has passed, you're gonna let that cool and keep this in an airtight bottle. Just be sure to give it a shake before use to let all that beautiful glitter blend into your drink. And now we're gonna make our homemade pink lemonade. To start, you're gonna wanna make sure you have a vessel that's at least 32 ounces or 1 quart. We're gonna grab that hibiscus tea syrup and add 3/4 of a cup. Next is gonna be 1 cup of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. And the last ingredient in our homemade lemonade is gonna be some filtered water. We're gonna be adding 3 cups. Now that you have everything combined in your bottle, we're just gonna go ahead and give this a quick shake. And now we're gonna make our pink lemonade tequila spritz together. For this one, we're gonna be building this cocktail right into our wine glass, nice and easy. Go ahead and grab that pink lemonade. We're gonna add 4 ounces. Next, we're gonna be adding our tequila, 1 ounce of our tequila, add in our ice, and next we're gonna top this off with a little bit of Prosecco. Go ahead, tilt your glass and pour this out. We're gonna finish this with just a touch of our bowl&basket club soda. Give this a nice stir. Combine all those beautiful pink ingredients. And garnish with some edible rose petals. And here we have our pink lemonade tequila spritz. And Girls' Day is never complete without some snacks. Bowl& Basket has a wide variety of delicious nuts, chocolate, and candy with some really unique and tasty flavors that make the perfect base to add to your snack board. We're gonna be using some chocolate bars, and I'm really excited about these coconut cashews that I think pair really nicely with the hibiscus and our pink lemonade. So, cheers to our girlfriends and happy Galentine's Day. And if you love this recipe, be sure to like and follow for more.